So here we have a 1960 Dodge. That is twisted around a tree. This car has been here at least for 40 years. First time I ever saw it, I was 13 years old, and we were hiking down this road and came upon this car off to the side down in the woods here. At the time, the car was totally exposed. It was not covered up. And since then, this road has been raised up and it's been widened. And as they did that, they just put the material on top of the car. So I'm not sure about the story of this. There's two scenarios that I can think of. One is that there was an accident here and the car hit the tree and it was totaled, so they decided to leave it. Maybe they didn't have insurance on it and couldn't pay to get it fixed. The other scenario is that it was worn out and they pushed it down the road and it came off and it hit the tree. And it's been here ever since. So I'm not sure what the story is. This being in 1960, when I first saw it, it was just a little bit over 20 years old, which seems fairly young to be worn out and abandoned. So maybe the former story is true. I guess we'll probably never know. But anyway, I hadn't seen this car until last weekend for 40 years, so it was kind of cool to come back and find it again. And I think I'll be making some trips during different seasons of the year to chronicle the next steps in its decay. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this one. It's definitely a bit unusual.